Hi, I'm Guy Cook. This video is about how to leverage AI-powered analytics. Let's get to it. This episode is targeted at podcasters, how to make an impact with AI-powered analytics and your podcast's success. Understanding your audience with AI analytics involves knowing what demographics is your persona that's identified as your ideal customer, your user that's going to be stepping up to the plate and swinging the bat. The listening trends is take that persona and determine whether they're going to listen in the morning commute, late night binges, what's going on with that demographic, okay? Engagement is another part of this that you want to look at, is learn which segments keep your audience hooked, which ones are going to be the winner in the content that you generate, okay? Then the fine-tune the content and production thereof is look at the topic performance. If you've had good luck with, say, like this one is digital marketing. So if you've had good luck with digital marketing, then stick with that. Find out what the listing time is to know what the episode length you want to use, and make sure that you've got a good audio quality for your sound. That's what's going to make you or break you, is the quality of the sound. And there's a part of the document that talks about marketing and distribution powered by artificial intelligence. Your artificial intelligence is going to be able to tell you when the best time to publish is, when you have the most listeners, like when the fish are coming out to bite, okay? Social sharing, optimal channels, and subscriber insights are all three part of that marketing and distribution. It's in the Google document. If you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, there's a Google document in there that's about leveraging AI-powered analytics. Now, I've jumped ahead in the Google document to the wrap-up. It says, are you ready to give your podcast the edge it deserves? Implement artificial intelligence analytics, tweak your strategies, and prepare for liftoff. Okay? Don't bother to not do this. Analytics done right, it's a winner. Oh, hey. Contact me. Use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.